video, we will discuss how to use the Microsoft Excel Days to Calving Preg Test Results template to enter and submit pregnancy test results to BreedPlan. When recording Days to Calving information, breeders need to record all events associated with the joining of their females from the start of the mating period in each breeding season through to when the subsequent calves are born. Broadly, this includes joining details of all females mated within the herd, Days to Calving disposal codes for all females that left the herd, particularly those present at joining but not by subsequent calving, details of all calves, dead or alive, that were born as a result of these joinings. Optionally, pregnancy test results can also be submitted. This information is not currently included in the calculation of Days to Calving EBVs, but will be used to assist researchers identify how pregnancy test results may be used in the BreedPlan analysis in the future. For further information, see the Recording Days to Calving tip sheet and associated video available via the Help Centre on the BreedPlan website. The Microsoft Excel Days to Calving Preg Test Results template is used to submit pregnancy test results to BreedPlan. It is one of several templates available to submit Days to Calving information. All templates can be downloaded from the Help Centre on the BreedPlan website. To ensure that you are using the most recent version, it is recommended that you download the relevant template each time you wish to submit Days to Calving data. On opening the template, you will notice that there are 3 tabs. These are the Instructions tab. Here you will find a description of each of the columns contained in the template and the accepted data input formats. The Example Data Submission tab. Here you will find example records that show how to enter the pregnancy testing information into the template. The Preg Testing Details template. This is the template that you will use to enter your preg test results. When entering your data into the template, first enter your herd ident into column B of the top row. You should only need to do this once, as your herd ident should autofill with subsequent records. In this example, we are using herd ident ABC. Now move across to column C and enter the cow ident. In this example, we are using cow ident ABC K123. Once you have entered the cow ident, you might notice that a V automatically appears in column A and a T automatically appears in column E under event code. Both of these codes are required for internal BreedPlan processing purposes and should autofill each time you enter a cow ident. You can now move across to column D and enter the date that the preg testing was undertaken. This date should be entered in the format of DD, MM, YY, YY. In the example on the screen, the date preg testing occurred was the 15th of September 2019. Finally, you can move across to column F and enter your preg test results. Pregnancy test results can either be entered as P for pregnant, N for non-pregnant, or, if your technician specified the number of weeks pregnant, a number between 3 and 20. In the example on the screen, the preg test results for cow ABC K123 is entered as P for pregnant. To enter subsequent records, head back to column C and enter the cow ident of your next animal. Then fill in the date preg tested and preg test result and repeat until you have entered all of the pregnancy test results you wish to submit to BreedPlan. The file can then be saved and emailed to your BreedPlan Processing Centre. Please include a brief description of the data included in the file. For example, the example data shown in this video could be described as Spring 2019 matings, pregnancy test results. For further assistance in using the Days to Calving preg test results template, please contact staff at your BreedPlan Processing Centre. Thanks to those who have provided images and video footage for us to use in the Recording for BreedPlan video series.